home educate. As we grow, we know.
It's I home edu.
It's time to educate as we go.
We know. And today we have the folding scooter.
Sponsored by Trunki.
Trunki. As you can
Sponsored
see
by
here,
Trunki.
get, set, go.
Get, set, go.
So we're going to open this up and see how large it is. And yes, what does this say? 110.
It says 100. It says 111 10 centimeters.
To 150 centimeters tall.
And it says large.
As you can see right here.
And you know what's this?
It says
Right
toe, which you can fold
right
in. Buggy.
toe.
So you can fold it.
Buggy.
So let's open this up.
You can also make it into
how
a
it looks
buggy,
like.
guys. You can make it into
Let's
a
open
buggy.
this up. I can't wait to use this.
Yes, me too.
So are you gonna fold it, or are you gonna ride it, or are you gonna tow it?
I'm gonna go buggy it.
I'm gonna ride it.
I'm gonna tow it. Yeah, I'm gonna tow it.
You want someone to carry you on it? Yeah.
Does it say carrying?
Oh well. I can't wait to open this up.
Yeah, I can't wait to open it too. Hey. Book, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest.
How do you know that?
Trunki.com. I can't wait to open this.
Yes. Just open this.
This
Be careful. Oh, easy.
giant.
Okay, there we go. Let's open this up.
I'll do it.
Get drop. Put it. Pull it. Oh yeah. There's some set tape over here.
I'm sorry, tapes.
Do you want
I
to cut
can't
this
wait
too?
what it looks like. What does it look like?
And this part here too.
And that's by that as well.
There we go.
Open that side, baby.
Let's open it up.
Whoa!
Okay. So move that. There we go. Easy. That was close. Okay. Yeah.
It comes with a bag
And
some
straps.
and some straps to tow it. It comes with some straps to tow it.
Let's get right into it. Let's open it up.
And it says you can also get blue for male and pink for female.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
All right, there we go.
Okay,
Whoa.
so I don't know what this is, but let's see.
Come on, get out.
Come on, get it.
Wait.
Get it.
Let go. I think I got this.
Get it.
Ugh.
And
Ta-da. I can see right there. Okay. Wait, let me go and take it out.
It looks so silly.
All right. So I think this is the Trunki foldable scooter. So it's going to take it out, and I will show you how big it is.
I have to take out the lever.
Wait. You mind breaking it? Okay, so it's wait. Okay, here we go. Then we have to press it. Then we have to press it.
Then we have to
It's not
press it.
working.
Also going off to help kids.
There we go. Now go. Open up.
What? It's a gigantic scooter. Look at this giant scooter here.
I bet I can go higher.
I want to go higher, but in order way to go higher, I have to sit on you. I have to put your head on it. So you have to.
I want to try it. Wait, one last thing. Are you gonna tow it, or are you gonna?
I think I'm just gonna ride.
Mm.
Because towing is a little bit stupid. So today we're riding, and I'll go to the hoverboard. Not like that. You can poke like this, and your thumb. You can poke Ashley. Like Ashley used to play styrofoam. You can poke it like this, and Then you just rip it up. It's like the lid of the styrofoam, isn't it? See the crust? We can make this into a fake pizza. But you can totally make this into pizza, right? We will roll it around. Maybe I'll try with yummy instead. Try with yummy. Hey, I'm trying to be there. I'm trying to do this. Like a charter. It's mine. It's like that. Hey, that's mine. No, it's mine. That's mine as well. Hey, how about you just do this one the longest? Maybe. Let's put it like this. Don't do it too far. Use it super strong. Hey, that's mine. No, what is that? You have to pull ultra like.
Okay.
It's actually pretty good, and I say the crust. You know the crusty smooth? Crusty smooth. You should get everything very good. Has to be fine. Okay, now we got the. Ow! You little idiot. You little punk.
So yeah, we got the Trunki scooter.
Yeah.
And so
Trunki
anyways,
scooter blue.
bye guys.
Bye guys. Hope you and thumbs up and peace.
And it's I, Home Educate. As we go, we know. Kids.
As we grow, we know.